10 ways to get started in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can make you feel behind if you haven't figured out how to integrate tools like ChatGPT into your business. If you don't know the difference between machine learning and natural language processing, or if you're overwhelmed by all the AI news, you might feel like you missed the boat. Fortunately, that's not the case. Artificial intelligence is just getting started. Professionals like you can discover business breakthroughs, great progress, and a whole new level of efficiency right now. Today, I will be sharing with you 10 ways to become more familiar with AI technology and the value it offers. I will rank these points from the easiest to hardest. Sit tight while we get into the video. 1. Read AI trends and test tools. Begin by enriching your knowledge. Subscribe to AI-focused newsletters like the Down AI or Ben's Bytes, and follow leading voices such as former Google chief decision scientist Cassie Kozyrkov, Wharton professor Ethan Malik, or futurist Sinead Bavel. Listen to people who have been in the game for a while and turn insights into action by actually testing out tools. Make sure theory leads to practice. Start with AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity AI. Make learning AI a habit and stay informed. It will pay dividends when it comes to getting value out of AI. It's never too late to begin learning how to apply this technology to your business and career. 2. Forecast your job's evolution more. Predict the future of your specific role by assessing where you're at. Go on LinkedIn or Indeed and look up AI-specific versions of your current role. If you're in sales today, look at sales roles in AI. Then do a gap analysis between the roles you find and your current skills and work to close the gap. The next version of your existing role may require proficiency with a handful of tools. A designer might have to know Adobe Firefly, or an account manager might have to know Salesforce's CRM AI tools. Spend a few hours learning those tools. Consult YouTube for step-by-step tutorials, and update your resume when you've mastered them for real. Understanding and demoing these tools will give you that significant edge to clients and employers. 3. Find an AI mentor. For the next level up, find someone who has successfully made the transition from your current role to an AI-centric one. This could be an ex-colleague, someone who went to your college, or a stranger on social media. Ask for their advice on entering the AI space. Entrepreneurs can find the AI version of their current business by searching online for tools in their space and get ideas on how their offering could adapt. Either way, make use of other people's experience to shape your own. Get concrete, role-specific advice and act on it. 4. Attend an AI conference or event. You don't know what you don't know. Go deeper in your research by attending a conference and having your eyes open to new and exciting technological concepts you didn't realize existed. Meet new people and understand their work. Conferences can be a huge leg up for networking, meeting hiring managers, and learning where this tech is headed. If you're more technically inclined, attend events like Neural Information Processing Systems, NeurIPS, or Computer Vision and Pattern Recognition. For less technical fields, consider industry-specific events like Scale Up AI for investing or Marketing Artificial Intelligence Conference, MACON, for marketing. Turn up with an open mind, take loads of notes, and follow up with everyone whose work piques your interest. 5. Enroll in AI courses. Even though AI is rapidly changing formal education, credentials can open doors. Don't just rely on building your own knowledge. Find courses tailored to your career goals and formalize with certificates as required. If you're an aspiring machine learning engineer, try Python courses from FreeCodeCamp, ML crash courses from Google, or Andrewing's ML courses. If you're a non-engineer, investigate courses like What is Generative AI on LinkedIn Learning, AI for Everyone by Andrewing, or enroll in Ali Miller's In-Depth AI for Business Leaders on Maven. There's also AI for Non-Techies by Heather Murray. 6. Implement AI in your company. With the basics covered, you can build up a portfolio and begin creating. Start by meaningfully applying AI in your current role. For example, a data analyst could suggest AI tools for data transformation or learn a no-code platform to build an ML forecasting model. A customer support manager could lead their team to adopt customer service tools like Zendesk. If you run your own company, Empower your team to multiply their output with AI and figure out solutions together. Prioritize solutions that bring meaningful and positive results, such as freeing up time to work on new ideas that will grow the entire business. 7. Join a machine learning (ML) side project if you want to transition into it, but you're not ready to take the leap in your current business. Engage in AI collaboration on the side, join Slack or Discord groups, contribute to open source communities through GitHub, or tap into LinkedIn groups. Be deliberate, not haphazard. Choose projects that resonate with your interests, like sports forecasting models if you're a basketball fan, or botany web apps if you're a nature lover. Fit your skills and meet new people. You never know what you could co-create. 8. Start your own machine learning project. For the self-motivated, initiating your own AI project can be incredibly rewarding and a great outlet for creativity. Leverage whatever spare moments you have, emphasizing quality of time over quantity. Learning from the ground up is a great way to understand machine learning, so you can build out your AI-first business or incorporate AI into your role with the fundamentals covered. This option is often for engineers, but non-technical folks can check out no-code platforms like Builder, Bubble, IO, or Mint Studio, or bring on a development partner to collaborate and bring ideas to life. Execution is key, but getting started is the hardest part. 9. Work with an AI startup. Nothing beats hands-on learning, and working at an AI startup is like navigating a jungle on a unicycle. Unpredictable but exhilarating. Collaborating with a startup is a great way to understand the intricacies of working in an AI-driven company. Ensure there's no conflict of interest with your current role, and do your due diligence to investigate the team and investors. Then roll up your sleeves and don't hold back. This approach could initially involve reduced rates until you prove yourself and build up your resume. 10. Start an AI company. This is the most challenging and ambitious path, and it's one that demands dedication, risk-taking, and resilience. You need to fully commit for any hope of success. 90% of startups fail, so be sure your motivation is not just financial reward. Even if your AI company doesn't succeed, you'll have learned a ton and picked up valuable connections. Even the potential for impact and fulfillment alone can make it worth it. If you think you've got what it takes, find a core audience and solve their problem in an AI-driven way. Listen to their feedback and hit product market fit. Be aware that thousands to millions of dollars would be needed to start an AI company depending on product and team. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Lastly, whichever step you pursue to get started in AI requires curiosity, passion, and determination. Your ability to learn, engage, adapt, and practice is going to come down to your initiative. So take the first step now to build a stronger career in the AI age. Put the work in now, and you'll be forever grateful that you got ahead. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.